Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. You know, it's game time, so when it's game time, it's wing time. So, you guys, let's pull out the Ninja Foodi grill, and we're going to be doing some indoor grilled wings. Let's get into it. If you're new, subscribe. About to get ready to grill up some chicken wings. This is probably about half a pound, if that, 7 wings, and we're gonna be grilling them in a Ninja Foodi grill. So what I'm gonna do first, I did wash them. You know what I'm saying? These are washed wings because I know everybody be particular. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put them in the, in a bag, a Ziploc bag. And then I'm gonna put my seasoning in here. I like to have mine sit over, sit for about an hour or two or whatever like that. And with the seasoning, it's my little special blend, my little special chicken blend. It's like an all-purpose, stuff like that. I'm covered pretty good. Also, what I'm gonna do is add my cider vinegar into my wings. I'll make a little, little marinade. You can put like probably 3 tablespoons, stuff like that. What I would do, close it up, take the air out of it, shake it up, mix it in, like that. So let it marinate for about a good hour, and then what we do is, once it's done, I'm gonna stick it in the grill. All right, so what we're gonna first do is preheat the Ninja Foodi grill. I put it on high, not max. So I'll wait for it to start up so we can be able to put it's on grill, so we're gonna grill it. So we put the wings on the grill. The wings been sitting there for about an hour, so it's done, marinated. And what I did was just threw a little chives in there, just a little flavor and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is the preheating is almost done, and we're gonna be putting them on the grill. We're going to lay them in here. I really do like this Ninja Foodi grill. Actually, it was a good investment, to be honest. Especially with chicken wings and stuff like that. If you don't want to cook outside, if you want to have an outside feel, this is definitely great. This is our go-to, go-to griller. Love it. I mean, literally love it. This is a winner chicken dinner. Seriously. I wouldn't trade it for nothing else. To be an air fryer, it could be dry out vegetables and everything like that, and it can, grill, do everything. This is a one-stop shop. So, all right, we're about to get it grilling. Looking good. Time to take them out. Came out pretty good, and this was about, say, 15 minutes. Came out really good. I think they were a little bit, I could have had them a little bit, probably 12 minutes, but really crispy, you can see. The flavor, everything is on there, looking pretty good and everything. So what do you guys think? They're looking pretty good. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. About to get down and get ready to get something to eat. For those that are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. To get wonderful dishes like this from a Ninja Foodi grill. It's an excellent buy for you guys. If you are wondering about getting it. It does excellent on wings, fish, steak. Look out for my steak video and a few other ones I have up. But see you guys in the next video.